and welcome to an instructional video about the use of the Pocket Neb. Before using the Pocket Neb, open the Pocket Neb box and make sure that you have all of the parts listed on the back. The parts in the box include the handset, the medication cup with the medication cup nozzle cover, the mouthpiece, the mask adapter, and the charger. Before operating the Pocket Neb for the first time, it should be charged until the light on the medication cup is blinking green. To charge the unit, plug the wall adapter into a wall power source. Next, take the USB charging cable and plug it into the left-hand side of the unit where it reads USB. A red low battery light will begin blinking to show that the battery is charging, and it will change to green when the charge is complete. Charging time will vary depending on the condition of the battery, but if the battery is completely discharged, it will take 4 to 6 hours to become fully charged again. Also, do not use the Pocket Neb while it is being charged. Before the first use, and each day the Pocket Neb is used, be sure to clean your device. To clean the Pocket Neb, remove the nozzle cover, mouthpiece, or mask adapter from the medication cup if attached. Then, remove the medication cup from the handset and discard any remaining medication before cleaning. To clean the unit, open the blue medication cup cap on top of the medication cup and add distilled water. Slide the medication cup back on the handset until it clicks into place. Press the power button on the front of the handset. To completely clean the Pocket Neb, keep the unit on for 15 seconds. You will then want to remove the medication cup, discard of any remaining water, and let it dry. To clean the handset, wipe it down with a cloth dampened with distilled water. Be sure to never use alcohol or place the handset under running water or in any liquid. Also, be sure to never attempt to clean or directly touch the mesh, which is the silver and yellow part where the mouthpiece and mask adapter attach to the medication cup. This will damage the mesh because it is sensitive, and any tampering will damage the unit. Placing the medication cup nozzle cover over the medication cup opening while the Pocket Neb is not in use is a good way to avoid damage. It is recommended to make sure the medication cup is air dried first if possible. After charging and cleaning the unit, remove the nozzle cover from the medication cup, then remove the medication cup from the handset and open the cap. Pour your medication as prescribed by your physician and close the medication cup cap. Slide the medication cup onto the handset until it clicks into place. Then you can connect the mouthpiece or mask adapter and gently press the blue power button on the front of the handset. Make sure you slightly tilt the handset towards yourself to assure the medication is in contact with the mesh. Place the mouthpiece in front of your lips, or you can place your lips around the mouthpiece. If using a mask, position the mask against your face. Start inhalation and take treatment as directed by your healthcare provider. The unit will automatically turn off after 20 minutes of use, but if additional treatment is necessary, press the power button again to continue your treatment. Once you are finished taking your treatment, press the power button on the front of the handset to turn the unit off. Running the unit without solution could damage the mesh. Remove the mouthpiece or mask adapter from the unit. Be sure to clean the unit using the previous instructions and safely store the Pocket Neb and its accessories. If at any time you're having trouble with the Pocket Neb, before contacting Micro Vapor Devices, please refer to the instruction manual and look under the troubleshooting guide. Additional information can also be found on the website at www.pocketneb.com. If the unit will not mist, the medication cup may need to be replaced. You may also use an alcohol wipe to clean the contacts, which are the metal knobs on both the mouthpiece and on the handset. This will remove any grime that may be blocking the connection. Due to the sensitivity of the mesh, the medication cup should be replaced every 45 days. However, proper cleaning and care may extend the life of the medication. Be careful to ensure that no liquid spills in or near the USB cover on the handset. This may damage the component. Also, be sure to read all instructions before operating. Thank you for watching.